See here in this problem, here how to find the voltage across a capacitor. So here total voltage source is given as 100 volts and voltage drop across resistor is 80 volts. Across inductor voltage drop is 20 volts. So then what is the voltage drop across a capacitor? So this is a problem. But here this is a RLC series circuit. So here we know that total source voltage square equal to voltage drop across resistor square plus VL minus VC whole square, or Vs square equal to VR square plus Vc minus VL whole square. So these two equations are same only. So here voltage drop is always positive. Suppose this equation gives voltage drop is negative across capacitors, then consider this equation. Okay, now take here, substituting all these values in this equation, we will get 100 square equal to 80 square plus VL means 20 minus VC whole square. So that's equal to 10,000 minus 6,400 equal to 20 minus VC whole square. So it is equal to 3,600 equal to 20 minus VC whole square. So bring square on left hand side becomes 20 minus VC equal to 60. So here it gives VC equal to 20 minus 60. So it is minus 40. So here voltage drop is in negative. So this is not a correct answer. Now take this equation. That means VC minus VL equal to 60. That is VC minus 20 equal to 60. From this we get VC equal to 80. And this is the correct answer because it is a positive value. So voltage drop across a capacitor is 80 volts. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.